another video. As you can see in the background, I am building a shed, like a potting shed where I can just pot all my stuff and don't have to go in the greenhouse and put anything in there. That is just going to be dedicated for plants and my seedlings and stuff like that, and just a place to go sit down sometime if I want to just chill and relax and just, do something in there concerning plants. But guys, it has not been easy. Putting that thing up was a pain in the butt. First of all, I'm using a very shaky ladder because the other ladder is in the barn and it's too heavy for me to use. And then the third ladder is at my son's house. So this is a shaky ladder and I'm so nervous I'm gonna fall off that ladder. So anyways, I put a tarp up, a black tarp, as you can see, and I just tacked them with some nails. I'm gonna come back and put nails and I'm gonna tie it around and everything like that to make it secure. But today I just want to make sure that I just put all the plastic up. I'm just gonna put it all around. Then I'm gonna cut out my doors and stuff another day because I think it's better like that. But I'm so proud of myself because I did it all by myself without any help. Not my husband. Nobody helped me except me. Go girl power. Girl power. So you see ladies, you can do stuff on your own. Okay? You may not be a professional, but if you put your mind to it, you can do it. Like I say in my video all the time, it's not rocket science. All you have to do is just think really hard. So anyways, I'm gonna continue doing that. And yeah, and I'm gonna be putting the flooring down. I use pallets at the bottom, but of course they have spaces in between. So I went to Home Depot and I got some discarded material that they don't want, and you can go to Home Depot and get discarded wood. I got some. I didn't measure it. I hope it can fit on the ground, on the flooring. And then I'm going to be building shelf, organizing my tools and all kind of stuff in there, y'all. So if you want to see more of those kinds of videos, me, the Israelite woman, building stuff, you got to stay tuned and come back for the next video. All right, so let the video roll and I'm just gonna let you guys see what I'm doing. So this is inside the greenhouse. Okay, let me back up. Okay, do you see that water inside of the greenhouse? Do you see my beds? And I was planning to put my carrots here. There's no way I can plant carrots here if we haven't all that amount of water in the greenhouse. This is ridiculous. And then look at that. We have a flood here. Look how deep that water is. Do you see that? I'm gonna give you guys a view. This is right next to my bed of onions. Something has to be done about that. The water has even made a drain coming onto our property. You see over there? A complete drain has developed. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at the snow. So this, my friends, is a drain. Okay? This right here, all the way to the end of my property down there, and all the way here, it's a drain. Because this up here drains and goes down there at the end of my property there. But I am going to show you all what the city did when they came in here to fix the bigger drain that is outside. So let me show you all. So this right here where you're seeing that stick is the end of my property. And this is the end of the drain. And do you see that? Do you see all these rocks here? These rocks are blocking the water from going there to that big drain. So guys, you see what I'm talking about? All these rocks that is here blocking my drain is preventing the water from going out there. So that's why I have so much flooding on my property. Wow, I'm going down in the drain. And this drain here is completely blocked. This drain here comes out here, but then it's blocked at the end, so the water has nowhere to go. So it goes onto my property. And yeah, it's been just a mess. So that's what it is. Anywho, enough of that. I just came outside to see if I can do any work outside here, but it's a no-no because it's snow everywhere. And the snow started falling early this morning, and then about 10-11 o'clock it started to rain like crazy. So everything is wet and there's water everywhere, and it's muddy and swampy, as you can see. So I'm not doing any work out here. Plus the greenhouse is flooded again on one side, so no work is being done out here. So I'm gonna give the chickens some food. I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of the shed, and that's gonna be it. And you just have to wait for the next video. So there you have it. We have a little damage at the top. Let's see. So this blowout at the top, I'm gonna have to fix that. And this plastic got ripped out. That was just from yesterday. We just had some wind. A little bit, like we have wind here like crazy. So yeah, that has to be fixed. And yeah, but everything else looks perfect. I am going to cut out the door. The door is gonna be right here. I'm gonna cut it out as soon as I make it, and then I can do the floors and fix the ceiling properly, guys. So you all, as usual, thanks for watching. I'm all bundled up because it's cold again. I planted my onions out. They seem fine. They were covered in snow this morning, but they seem fine now. I'm not really worried about them. I was planning to put some other things in there. It's a good thing I didn't put them in. I don't know, maybe I did smell snow around the corner. So I'm gonna feed my chickens. Say hello. Hello, chickies. I'm gonna feed them, and I'm gonna head back inside because that's gonna be a day for me. So y'all, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Stay positive. Think positive things in your brain. And ciao, ciao. So I'll see you in the next video. Mommy is coming. Mommy's coming to give you guys food. Don't worry. Don't call out to me so much. You know I always feed you. And I take good care of you. Are you trying to tell the viewers that I'm not good to you, chickies? This is not good, you know. This is not good, you know.